In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AppSheet to Google Sheet. By the end, you'll have a basic app powered by your spreadsheet and ready for customization. Start by opening your browser and heading to appsheet.com. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to use your Google account. That's expected since AppSheet pulls data from your Google Drive. Once you're on the AppSheet homepage, look for the Create option at the top and click it. This is where new projects begin. Next, choose App. We're building a standard app and we want it to read from a spreadsheet you already have. On the setup screen, select Start with Existing Data. This tells AppSheet you'll point it to a file rather than starting from a blank schema. Before connecting the data, give your app a name. Pick something descriptive so it's easy to recognize later in your dashboard. You can also choose a category that best matches your use case, like productivity, operations, or project management. The category doesn't lock you in, but it can help with templates and organization. Now click Choose Your Data. AppSheet will ask where your data lives. Select Google Sheets as the source. The first time you do this, you may see a permission prompt from Google. Approve access so AppSheet can list your spreadsheets and keep them in sync. Without this permission, the connection can't be established. You'll now see your Google Sheets files. Browse to the spreadsheet you want to use and select it. If your file contains multiple tabs, pick the sheet or sheets you'd like to include in the app. A quick tip here, make sure your first row in each sheet contains clear column headers like name, email, status, or date. Consistent headers help AppSheet detect data types correctly, which improves forms, lists, and filters automatically. It's also helpful if one column can serve as a unique identifier, such as an ID or a timestamp. With your file and the sheet selected, click Select to confirm. AppSheet will import the structure and generate an initial app with views, forms, and tables based on your data. Give it a moment to process. When it's loaded, you'll see a preview of your app. From here, you can review the columns AppSheet detected, check that the data types look right, and verify that the table shows the records from your Google Sheet. If you plan to add or edit data from the app, ensure the sheet isn't protected in a way that blocks updates. That's it. Your AppSheet app is now connected to Google Sheets and ready for further customization.